Hello, YouTubers.
For any girls.
You see this jack?
Any girls that the jacks that come with the car usually aren't safe to get under them with.
Some people think that it's safe to use a jack like this and then go under the car, and maybe you're having a problem with your muffler and you just want to go under there and check it out. You can't do it with just a jack like this. That's not safe enough. And I found out that's not common knowledge, because I myself would not have really known that. But yeah, apparently you cannot do that. Not that that's not what we were doing here today. It's just obviously a spare tire being put on. But in the past, this cute little girl here, who's working with limited range because of the curb, trying to lower the jack, she got under the car for quite an extended period of time with only that wee little jack. So that wasn't a good idea, and her guardian angel protected her. So just to let you know, I was telling her, I wouldn't have known that you can't really do that either. So I thought I would make a quick video, just hopefully to educate you guys so you won't go and get yourselves in a dangerous situation. Okay, take care, God bless, and Merry Christmas.